My name is Meghna Surlikar. I joined Forum for Autism as a volunteer in 2014. Thereafter, I also worked for a project where I was on the payroll. When I talk about Forum for Autism, two words come first to my mind. They are our children. The parents here use these two words very frequently. This our children encompasses every single child or adult on the autism spectrum, irrespective of whether they are members of the forum or not. Now, coming from a neurotypical setup, wherever one is, it's always my child versus your child. It's never our children. Here, our children said a lot of things like, your child is like one of my own. I know how you feel as a fellow parent, the ups and downs. If there is an issue, let's get our heads together and see what best we can do. That's what I have seen them do. And then there's always been a follow-up and course of action has been made. For me, if you ask, what does Forum for Autism mean? I would say it has been a group of individuals, parents and kids alike who have been teachers. FFA for me would stand for positivity, empathy and unity in diversity. FFA helped me on a personal level as I volunteered for sessions on various topics like occupational therapy, behavioral challenges, etc. I began to understand about autism and the challenges faced by the individuals on the spectrum, and more than that, the efforts put by them to live in a predominantly neurotypical environment. While working on a project with Babita and Anand, the core group members, I realized in spite of many obstacles faced by them on all levels, they always made it a point to be there at the various places we had to visit. The commitment and hard work put in by the team members was truly a life lesson for me. In the end, I would like to say that working and volunteering with FFA has helped me view and experience life differently. FFA will continue to grow stronger and I wish them all the very best for the future. Thank you.
Hello, I am Madhu Arora. I am an occupational therapist. I am working for Sunshine School for more than 10 years. I would like to say few words for FFA. FFA, Forum for Autism, is connected with us for more than 10 years. It is like a support system for our school. It helps the school in many ways, like it conducts parents training programs, which is very much beneficial for the parents. It creates awareness among the parents regarding autism. That way parents are better equipped to handle their kids. And then FFA is conducting teachers training programs off and on, which is very beneficial for the teachers and ultimately for our kids. It updates the knowledge of teacher, it equips the teachers, and then teachers can handle the children in better way. FFA is helpful for us in other aspects also, like there are so many kids who belong to the poor families. They cannot afford to pay the fees of the school. In that aspect also, FFA is sponsoring the fees of few kids who are in our school. So FFA is helpful for the school in many ways, and it is like a support system for our school. 2nd April is celebrated as World Autism Awareness Day every year. In this celebration also, FFA is connected with us and support us, and in 2nd April we celebrate in many ways, like we put the exhibition of the products made by our kids in different malls and in different schools. In that also FFA is helping us and connected with us. So I am very thankful for this, for all the support FFA is providing us. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Sidvi Iyer. I am the sister of Shravan Iyer. Today I am going to speak on Forum for Autism. Forum for Autism is not only a place where parents can interact with each other, it's also a place where siblings can express their memories and experience with other people who have autistic siblings. And congratulations on your 20th anniversary Forum for Autism.